There are some cleaning tools you try once and immediately understand why people love them. And this little 3-pack of Scrub Daddy color sponges is one of those for me. What makes them so clever is how they change texture with the water temperature. In cold water, they feel firmer for tougher scrubbing jobs, and in warm water, they soften up for lighter everyday cleaning. It's such a simple idea, but it makes a big difference when you're moving from stuck-on pans and more delicate dishes and different surfaces. I also love that they're scratch-free on so many surfaces, which gives me a little extra peace of mind in the kitchen. You can use them on everything from glass and stainless steel to non-stick cookware, which I have some of, and more, without feeling like you have to baby them every time. They are really comfortable to hold, easy to grip, and those thoughtful little details in the design really do help to get into spots that are usually annoying to clean, like around utensils, corners, and tighter spaces. Another nice thing is that they stay fresher longer when they're cared for properly. So these feel like a practical little upgrade to an everyday routine. And because this set comes in different colors, it makes it easy to keep one for the kitchen, one for my bathroom, and one for those extra little household messes. I always appreciate products that make daily life feel a little easier, a little cleaner, and a little more efficient without overcomplicating everything. And my home sweet home tip today is to assign each sponge to its own job by color, so you can always know exactly what belongs where. It keeps your cleaning routine simpler, more organized, and helps everything feel a little more intentional. Consistency is my standard, and a friendly reminder, I'm an Amazon influencer, which means I may earn a small commission if you purchase through my link, at no extra cost to you. Your support helps me keep creating cozy, helpful reviews just like this one. Thank you so much. I appreciate you.